Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, let's try out IMMATURITY 032 by KADS nail art. If you want to try out this stamping plate, the link is available on the description box below. And you know what's next? Let's start stamping! After all of that, I'm applying top coat. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!